Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about triangles and whether they are convex sets or not. So let's take our triangle. So we have a triangle like this and let's name it A, B and C. And now the moment we place this triangle, the whole space is segregated into two different areas. The first area is completely enclosed within the sides, this area. And the other area that is completely outside. So for the sake of discussion, let's take the outside as to be just limited by this plane and not the entire screen, just for the sake of convenience that this triangle is placed on this plane. So the area that is enclosed completely within the sides, that is internal, that is inside the triangle. So we call it interior. And it is nothing but the area that's enclosed by its three sides. Whereas the area that's outside, that is exterior, or it is the area outside triangle which is not enclosed by its three sides. Now let's talk about whether they are convex sets or not. So for convex sets, let's take S be set of points of triangle ABC. Now let's take a triangle again. We have a triangle ABC. And for it to be a convex set, any 2 points lying inside the triangle, the line joining them should also lie completely inside the triangle, right? So line joining any 2 points in the figure lies completely inside the figure. And so let's take any 2 points inside the triangle. So we have 1 point here and another point let's take here. And let's make the line connecting both of these points. And as you can see, this line is completely inside the triangle. And these two are any random points. We can choose any other points and the line that will form by joining both the points will also be completely inside the triangle. So this means that interior, which is the inside area, the line lies completely inside the area, and so triangle is a convex set. We saw that the inside area was what we call interior. So we can also say that interior of a triangle is a convex set, but we use it very interchangeably. The interior of a triangle and the triangle is one and the same thing for this purpose. Whereas if we take any 2 points in the exterior of the triangle, say here, and we connect a line joining them, you can see that some part of it lies in the triangle while some of it stays external. So it doesn't lie completely outside the triangle. And so the external would not be a convex set. The exterior, the line does not lie completely inside the area. Now let's take some examples, whether it is only some type of triangles are convex sets or whether it's a general rule for all type of triangle. So let's take some examples. So let's take a weird looking triangle like this and let's call it ABC. And let's see whether even this is a convex set or not. So let's take our 2 points on inside the triangle. So that's 1 point here and that's another point here. And let's form a line joining both the points. And we can see that these are any two random points that we took. And the line that we got also lies completely inside the triangle. So that means that this triangle is also a convex set. And let's take another example. Let's take the example of a right triangle. A right triangle is one with 90 degrees as one of the angles. And so for this triangle, we can take any 2 points inside the triangle. Let's call this triangle ABC first. And let's take any 2 points inside the triangle. Say here we take, and let's take here another point. And we see that the line joining them is also lying completely inside the triangle. And so we can find any 2 points lying inside the triangle. And so if we take any 2 points inside the triangle and we form a line joining them, it will also always lie inside the triangle. So this means that triangle is a convex set. And we saw that it is not just true for one type of triangle, but it is a general property of triangles. So all triangles are convex sets. So we understood what triangles are and whether they are convex sets or not. And that's all for today. Thank you.